Mamelodi Sundowns need to win the CAF Champions League for Bafana Bafana to do well at the World Cup, and it's clear to see without Mamelodi Sundowns players, ehiko indaba ye Bafana Bafana. We've all seen Hugo Bruce took over, qualified for World Cup, qualified AFCON, watoli bronze AFCON, but ayiko special and ayenzile because so many local coaches have done that before. And under a local coach, Bafana Bafana have won a bronze. Bafetu, let's break it down as kulumeni nge Bafana Bafana. There are international players who are doing fuck all for Bafana Bafana. Bayas Lisa, local players are doing better than these guys. That said, welcome to Nkuli versus Mtu. Cishe ngaphelela umphefumulo ngoba sengicasukile iBafana Bafana. Awungene mfethu.
Sesibuyile ke for this week bafethu Danko. Siyabonga for ukujoin bafethu. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ku like and subscribe. Is making sure ukuthi Omni Audio becomes the biggest thing on the continent. Bafana selector kanjani Scott uhlongwane can trap can pass can score one on one no goalkeeper uvala amehlo wenzani uyathandaza noma wenzani uhlongwane bamthatha lo muntu lo kunama wing amaningi kakhulu out of nowhere uhlongwane uyavumbuka from eMinnesota baningi mngana ama player angadeserve ukulaphana kwaBafana
uMurena bekangenza kangcono kunohlongwane leya chance uMurena bekasha phakathi injured enjalo uke wakora igoal alimele kuBafana Bafana baze bamkhipha bekumele ukuthi lapha ya kudlale uMurena.
Yeah, nami ngimangele mfethu mabamletha lapha nomjita but uHugo Bros una 70 uruna ngaki namadola axegayo mkhulu asisakufundi thina kuBafana Bafana ayikho indaba yakho awuyakhohlwa nokukhohlwa izinto ezinye oyikhulumayo so select ama player deserving maningi ama player thina esikhala ngawo nabantu laba bakusafa why bangahlali phansi no because lento lena bafethu into ye country as a whole uHugo Bros akumelanga selectela ama player wakhe ngokwakhe yes kumele bahlale phansi bona as a team ba discuss ukuthi usibani uyaqualify Hugo Bros ngelinye ilanga uzoselectela umuntu odlala ku 3rd division le Netherlands lathi udlala eEurope
or ngelinye ilanga uyosilandela umuntu odlala ke NFD la uzahamba uyolanda uKick and Dolly lapha ku Cape Town City abaphelile akhathela uHugo Bros
uzofuna uhotho
kodwa mfethu mase sikhuluma kahle a good performing Mamelodi Sundowns is good for iBafana Bafana.
Sure.
Sibonile when iMamelodi Sundowns ihambile yadlala yayofika kuma final we CAF Champions League ba win AFL under uRulani Mukwena uHugo Bruce wathatha lesa squad wasisa kuBafana Bafana lesa squad kwaba yiso esletha ibronze. So without iMamelodi Sundowns ayikho iBafana Bafana. Without a good playing Mamelodi Sundowns iBafana Bafana kuba inkinga because ever since uMthobi Mvala walimala sesididekile lapha emuva ukuthi sidlala nabo bane noGrant Kekana naye akasekho. Siyabona nano Mutapelo Murene limele uHugo Bruce ubona kahle ukuthi thingambe nyele nyolanda abohlongwane batho apolice bekhona abantu abamkorela amagoli aqalisa aboTsepang Muremi anyazi into enzakala lapha kuBafana Bafana omunye na uTsepang Muremi kumele sibe neqiniso naye iBafana Bafana akusi Orlando Pirates iPanama akusi Magesi FC mawuzohamba uyodlala neBrazil akufani nanoma udlala neChiefs because iChiefs ayikho indaba yayo this season so uzoshine uTsepang Muremi so I think kunama player la South Africa aba right for iPSL kubuye kube nama player kumele ukuthi adlale international umukwena udlala kahle kuPSL adlale kuCAF abuye adlale international but we can't say the same about certain players Norilebuhile Mfukeng sometimes nginokuba worried ngihayi makumele adlale kuBafana Bafana udlala kahle kuPSL but the moment sekumele ukuthi arise to the occasion eBafana Bafana inokumsinda lanto leya.
Yeah, uMuremi yabona mawukhuluma ngoMuremi during the week namle kulama shows amamaya different bengikhuluma ngaye ngisho ukuthi uMuremi uyashayina makudlala neOrbit College ngosama Bafana bahola 3000 rands lapho uzombona but makudlala nabo Panama abantu abane structure ufuna ukudlala ibhola la kuOrlando Pirates le speed uyatatazela khona imoment lenkulu bekumela anika uRile Mfukeng wafuna ukushaya so uyabona ukuthi intelligence kumfana kakabi khona because ibhola lidlalwa ngokuthi skillful you can take players on no udlala ngeintelligent ku international football istructure istyle ungajahi bayalazi ibhola abantu bayenzile research yabo Muremi bababona koLorlando Pirates badlala ngespeed so bekumele babe calculative bona so yabona ke mesikhuluma ngama player anga deserve number 1 usithole bafethu ufunani kuBafana Bafana ufike kanjani
usithole wonke ama international players adlalela iBafana Bafana bekungamele badlala lapha usithole uLyle Foster uOkone singamazi nokuthi uphuma ka angazi asikho isibongo sithi Okone South Africa angimazi kokuqala ukuthi ungene kanjani asisazi nje isibongo sithi Okone South Africa ngeke uzwe bathi kunoSibiya odlala le Nigeria mara khona Okone abadlalayo la eSouth Africa yenye into isafa ekumele ukuthi ilungise leyo abantu ekumele ukuthi bayadlala lapha okekana akekho so udlalela uOkone singabazi nokuthi baqhamuka kuphi uGrant Kekana is better than uOkone 10 times libone CN is better than uOkone 10 times uOkone akahamba yo represent Nigeria adlala ama international friendly abasiza ukupreparela ama country aqualify le World Cup bekumele lo muntu usiza thini iBafana Bafana to prepare for iWorld Cup but he's preparing with us ukuya ku World Cup uLyle Foster ayikho indaba yakhe naye he can fuck off ayikho into akayenzayo sibuye futhi sibheke wonke umuntu odlala phesheya ukuthi abanye abalokho bayangibalekela but samkelo kabini akahambe akayodlala la dlala khona angayidlaleli bafana uhlongwane angezi imihlala imayambela bangambizi wonke umuntu odlala phesheya ayikho into abakhe bayenza for ibafana ngisho Steven Pienaar eliphi igoli elibalekile akalikora for ibafana
yeah abantu abadlala phesheya isikhathi esiningi ayikho into abasenzela yona uHugo Broos success anayo is based on ama players locally bebasaluta all over the world bathi bheka ne national team beyidlala ngama player wabadlala locally kusho ukuthi the division lapha ne South Africa is strong ilo inama players agood yabo super powerful so lama player overseas Hugo Broos naye angazi ukuthi udako yini wokubizwa okhona abadlala ku national first division lapha eDustin yase Germany ibhola elingekho serious but lo mkhulu lona angimazi uhleza phethe ibia every game uselecta ama player edakiwe noma wenza kanjani Hugo Broos phela ayikho indaba yakhe njalo uhleza phethe iglass lokhu uphuza something ngeselection ubukela ama match but ubhizi uyaphuza angazi ukuthi uselecta ama player kanjani but lama player adlala eEurope uzokuselectela umuntu odlala ku DDC team yase Europe uzoselectela umuntu ongakazi adlala eEurope abantu abadlala eEurope lapha ababonisa iconsistency abo giftlings abadlala eDenmark abawina ama awards abawina uyaba ignore ukuthi no abaqualify ukudlalela kubafana banayo quality but uzokuselectela bona yona lemquba ledlala kuwo wonke lama league lawo I mean bheka uRisinho Nuno Santos Sundowns babathathe ePortugal la kudlala khona le scam leso Sithole ngempela ufunani bafana batshela ukuthi bangakuselect mfethu maningi ama player better than wena ku PSL ngabala ama player ay26 manje but ngizokuxolela mfethu yekela kubafana batshela ukuthi ulimele futhi
uHugo Broos kwayena uye kumele kuqale yena kuyeke yena kubafana mekungayeka yena uHugo Broos kubafana then namanye ama player angesawabona you can't tell me ukuthi uLyle Foster udlala kangcono ukudlula uIkram Reyners uIkram Reyners kahle uye bekumele udlale eBurnley uye bekumele ukuthi udlale eEngland ukuthi abanye abantu banenhlanhla mhlambe neswasha baphalaza ngaso siyasebenza kangcono phela angesithi ngoba umuntu eyihlobo olithile sithi akayisebenzisa imithi mhlambe phela bahambile bamgcaba asazi kwenzakalani kodwa masibuya futhi sibheka the reason mina ngithi the last time bafana did well was when uRulani Mukwena was a local coach when Pitso Mosimane was a local coach kubalekile ukuthi uRulani noPitso if abacoach kubafana babe nama team abawacoacha ku PSL that's why as ama fans silwa ukuthi Chiefs sicela ukuthi sign uPitso Mosimane because uPitso Mosimane yakwazi uku-identify talent uyakwazi futhi ugroom confidence ama player uyawa understand ama dark arts ibafana if uyabheka eEurope eSouth America asithi phesheya nala eAfrica ngaphandle kwethu la South Africa badlala ibhola nangomqondo bayakwazi ukuthi makumele kube i-throw in babamba ibhola isikhathi eside by the time akupha lona liphosele phakathi in the pitch wenzani uthenga isikhathi for i-defense yakhe ukuthi bakwazi ukusihlanganisa asisunderstand lezo zinto bebelibele bemdonsa umkwena mabalibele bemdonsa benzani bayamcasula bayamfrustrate ukuthi angabse gamini balibele bedonsa umfukeng izinto lezo thina singazi understand but those are the things that uPitso Mosimane mastered playing with careful ukuthi kune dark art yebhola ukuthi bafethu labantu laba sometimes nababona ngathi abashaya ngegame uzofika wena umile kunyathela ubhonzo or afika kuthuke akubize ngemfene
I think bafana isinali talent bengishilo even na last ukuthi we better than ePanama in terms of talent but ibhola luina ngetalent unfortunately we are playing for 90 minutes ukuthi ngidlala nabantu
abanje now bophuzele into yaka Hugo Broos ibafana ine talent ukhlula iPanama abophuzele
talent tathi bashange we great
lento Hugo Broos ayiphuzayo
ngitshela ukuthi ama player la owabukela even you can even go to Morocco but bheka italent just nje ngetalent kuphela italent thina the best on the continent in terms of talent but ibhola
best in the continent in terms of talent
but ithini structure asina kushuthi manje asina development like ama stages are right urile Mfukeng manje thina sithi uyi final product thina is the best player in South Africa and urile Mfukeng on the continent angeka
but it shows you ukuthi
asikwazi ukunetha no the talent is there but asikwazi ukuliprotect nokulikhulisa kahle ukuthi libe strong ukwazi ukucompete sinali talent but asikwazi ukuligrooma yabo so umuntu ubona kufana nokuthi uningane ina 5 years uyisalute ina 5 and lo muntu uhlala na 5 until azabe na 20 so there's no growth emaplaying wethu so expect ukuthi umuntu asuke le whatever la asuka khona and then seka represent bafana ku PSL ungadlala 2 games there's no growth man level ukuthi udlale under 17 udlale kuphi udlale kuphi urile Mfukeng uzivumbulekela out of nowhere for 2 seasons nansi star so uNombokazi for example so now ama talented players but ama stages man and mentally abekho prepared abafana ukucompete ukuba right otherwise kwamanye ama system nakwamanye ama department like is strong but sifuna thina final product sifuna into ya quick bangaba ne players osha 6 goals la ku World Cup uzobona
namanje kulama game afew asele ku PSL kusana ama players angangena lapha bayodlala iWorld Cup ukuthi abakaze badlala aba represent national team I think mina the reason ngithi iPanama was better than iBafana because iPanama mayifika lapha bowubona ukuthi they were not interested number 1 ama-play ukudlala le game. They had no reason to win this game. Into abayenzile bafike lapha bagoqa izandla bathi knock the ball around, entertain your fans. Relebuvile Mfokeng ngishaya amavala thina sifuna ukupractice ama-account. So that's why ngishilo mina ngathi this game is more of a practice game for iPanama than iBafana Bafana. iPanama beba mastara ama-counter wabo, beba mastara nama-dark arts because they know ukuthi masiyodlala ku-World Cup mhlambe sodlala ne-country fana ne-Brazil bazoshaya on the counter because Vinicius Junior makabamba ibhola wenzani uyale uRodrigo uyale baleya back khala kasha igoal beba practice lezo zinto lezo bona against iBafana thina yazi bese master in ball position yabona thina la South Africa lento yokuthi ayintwana marumnani
ulibambe kamnandi ulitrepe kamnandi
yabona uThambazwane makangangena ashaya isithende C1 yo bheke istadium song uThambazwane umnandi while other countries are mastering the basics of football.
Yabona manje sikhuluma ngoThambazwane uthi uphase kamnandi umbokazi kanti umsebenzi wakho umphase kamnandi ngoba uvele wamphasa nje but celebrate leyo nto leyo ukubonisa ukuthi even nama-fans wethu awalazi ibhola sinabantu abaningi abangakaze bakhahlela ibhola but bahlala ey'tulweni bakhulume emafonini babhigi on kuma-social medias bakhulume ngebhola but they have no idea
tactical variation.
Yeah, bazokutshela ngezinto abafundile ey'ncwadini bayifunde incwadi eyaphuma ngoBob lapha e-England yibo labantu abasitshela ibhola aboLindo Pep ama-fake wabantu esibalalelayo uyambona lo muntu uthi uyi-fake uzibiza ngoLindo Pep yabona ukuthi uthatha negama laseSpain ama-fake and yibo abantu laba esibalalela kakhulu sithi yibo abantu abalazi ibhola but uma umbheka yena ukuthi ucontribute nje uma kuthiwa uyalazi yini into esike sayibona but yibo abantu esibalalelayo ibhola umbokazi akazazi the technical whatever but usebenzisa inkani yakhe why lonke iplayer elidlalayo team lingasebenzisa inkani.
Mina lela goal la kaMbokazi ngincoma uMbekazi not uThembazwane because ulitrepile wadlula iplayer. Omunye umuntu bengeka khona kwakudlula lela player aqala. Yabona the best thing ayenzile before kushoot. Utrepile wabhithi player makaqeda ukubhithi player bese kasikhethile isport uMbokazi bese kakhethile ukuthi la nyashutha nyenza kanje kuba bekuThembazwane bekazoshaya 360 10 bese siyamemeza ayayaya marumnandi then yazi bese kwenzakalani sibuyele move you understand kuba bekomunye umuntu bekazofuna ukubamba ibhola ashaya ivala sonke simemeza before ashutha. It's the same thing engakhala ngayo ngoRelebohile Mfokeng and I'm happy ukuthi usekayishintshile uyashutha uRelebohile Mfokeng manje uMfokeng bekathi makabona ipala afuna ukudribula ama defender iqala akore bese sonke sithi igoli la kaMfokeng kanti into ebalekile ukushutha. So I think the only player right now esinalo South Africa esingazibabaza ngalo sisho sithi bafethu emhlabeni wonke manifuna sidebate thina nango simphakamisayo uMbokazi. We can't say the same about amanye ama player. Nyaza abantu abangalazi ibhola bona no tactical variation bazofuna ukungithuka. uTebogo Mokoena akaphelelanga. uTebogo Mokoena uyacasha. If uyayibheka kahle bafana mayidlala uTebogo Mokoena sometimes makes it difficult for uyaya ukuthi adlale because uTebza yilo muntu lo makushubile on a good game uTebogo Mokoena uthanda ukucasha and then uzovela makaphethe ibhola kuphela mase kumele sibuyele emuva kuba mase piece what ngeke umbone uTebogo Mokoena. If you notice sometimes oMbokazi bemele baze babuye bazoyenza i-dirty work la bazocoverela bona uTebza nabo bani
kumele ngiphikisane nawe ngoba ulo
angithi uphuza lento iGo ayiphuzayo.
Siphuza sonke Hugo Bros lapha neTavern yaseThembisa. Bheka ulo uMokoena for mina ngicabanga ukuthi abantu abadlala nabo abekho good enough. I mean bheka uma ubheke eswini ukuthi udlala nabo bani. Kumele ayele avalela usibani avalela usibani so yingakho singamboni isikhathi esiningi and ubheke lama teams azodlala manje neBafana ayakwazi ukudominate ibhola and awadlala ifensive football njengathi lo dodo webhola thina abantu balinde abantu bathi babukele ema TV babeka ifone bathi ngifuna ukubona ukuthi uzotripa kanjani uRelebohile Mfokeng afaka ku Instagram yabo so ayikho
badlalela uVino Snaps
so ayikho into fans ozoyibona ngoTebogo Mokoena but uTebogo Mokoena into oyibona every game ama-tackle umbona awa noma kuthiwa akekho in terms of ukudlala kuya phambili but umbona uyalwa uthola ama-yellow card but khona aba-18 number but ngifuna sikhulume ngomuntu okumele bambeke ebhentshini kancane for mina or bamthuse nje bamvuse emaqandeni Khuliso umuntu awunama-mistake luyamjida lo and ama-mistake wakhe bampanish nokumpanish uyazi ukuthi uzodlala every game Hugo Bros kusho ukuthi akanaplan Hugo ulo umuntu is the best right back in the country, one of the best players in South Africa ngiyavuma but if uzoba nama mistake aloka aphinda ngoba ucomfortable senze njani ngempela ngawo why singathatha omunye umuntu siyakuthusa hayi ukuthi sithi but sifuna ukuthi uvuke emaqandeni yabo and uHugo Bros umbona ukuthi uDodo coach leyanja uselector uselector uRonaldo Lina ne uno Ricardo Goss so maka drop uSiphocheni second option second goalkeeper sokuGoss but guess what ufaka abantu faka uRonaldo Lina
awangena umfana bamphaphamisa bamshaya welcome to Bafana bamshaya amagoli ayi2 alula lamagoli abamshaya ngayo Ricardo Lina uSiphocheni bekawavimba nale goal uRonunu Lemza bamshaya nga last week Friday uSiphocheni bekalivimba lela bholo lela. I think the problem ngomadala unama player i5 akaloyal ku everyone else he maybe everyone else maybe he only has 5 players isquad sebafana bafana you only guaranteed 5 players wazi ukuthi laba abakhona bheka noma uRonwen Williams bangathi unqamuka uBhonzo khona manje uyahamba uyaya ku World Cup uhamba naye bafana bafana Ronwen Williams i-favorite ka Hugo Bruce Teboho Mokoena i-favorite ka Hugo Bruce Aubrey Mudiba i-favorite ka Hugo Bruce Khuriso Mudau i-favorite yaka Hugo Bruce then kuba Siphephelo Sithole lama player lawo uyi5 sazi ukuthi noma kungenzakalana angeke baze basale kubafana bafana ngisho kuthiwa manje uTeboho Mokoena is not getting game time uyahamba uya ku World Cup nanoma kungathi uRonwen Williams udlisile ngeFIFA Club World Cup siyibonile le building from the back yeSundowns ukuthi yenzeni kwiFIFA Club World Cup but Hugo Bruce akana indaba then when it comes to certain players uba harsh uba rude uyadelela uyakhumbula okwathini ngombokazi uyakhumbula indlela akakhulume ngayo ngosipombule emalangeni nendlela akakhulume ngayo ngosipotsheni ukuthi this is not a charity the very same players kusasa uzobabiza ukuthi bazokudlalela ku World Cup abasana confidence sebayakusaba wena as icoach ukuthi hey phela mengingabhayizala lo muntu uzoya ku media akhulume ngami uKhuliso Mudau wambona wenzena against Egypt angithi ukuyakhuluma Hugo Bruce nawo lama mistake okhuluma ngawo manje uyakhuluma Hugo Bruce Aubrey Mudiba wahamba wayefuna iVAR lapha sidlala neZimbabwe edlisile wakwakhuluma Hugo Bruce like I say uTeboho Mokoena is a good player umnandi mara uTeboho Mokoena unama mistake but angeke uze Hugo Bruce akhuluma even uyaya angabhayiza yenzeni but is always in that squad so Hugo Bruce these are the only players that is loyal to and that is the one thing that is destroying ibafana bafana and destroying our football
so imapha ama player wena obona cause amaningi ama players waplay mayo la sikhuluma but I think mina akhona yabona la my favorite players wakhe usithole kuphela oyiscam yabo so laba abanye bangaba khona but i squad 26 man squad ezohamba ku World Cup ibapho bona ukuthi these are maybe best players guaranteed for wena obona ukuthi baya deserve and then obana abanye obona ukuthi aba deserve cause for mina mangibheka amanye ama player but sengikhulume kakhulu ngongwana sesi angisafuna ukumbiza igama lakhe inkosi yami ayakalazi lamjita lo yena agijima celebrate njengemfene khona hayi akalazi but ngiya understand maybe Hugo Bruce ukuthi loyal kuye uke wamcontributela but nase teamini yakhe akadlali but I think mina for mina if uzoba ne striker akabizure but inama player 26 azo uthe uzoshintsha maybe squad maybe I mean
say 70% yeah
so maybe ngaba nama players maybe u10 amasha or uzoshintsha lapho
awuhlongwana kakhohle
so uhlongana kaboyi uhlongana nokhona
nolina
boba but if akambiza ulina uzombuyisa na uSipotsheni that's a big question
I think akana choice mela buyisa Sipotsheni khona ezinye ikhalo khona ezinye ikhalo Brian ukhona ukuzi ignore utso washo sinenene wathi when Hugo Bruce came abantu abaningi beba complain ukuthi select Sundowns players at some point you have to listen ukuthi mfana naba abantu abacompetayo other than uRonwen actually other than uSipotsheni uRonwen Williams is goalkeeper on team because uSipotsheni has more clean sheets than Williams uSipotsheni wenza ama saves ukhlula Williams the only thing Williams ayenza kangcono ukhlula uSipotsheni is that he becomes an additional player uyakwazi ukudlala ama-touch uba nawo whereas uSipotsheni maybe uyaleka lapho but when it comes to goalkeeping uSipotsheni uyamhlula uRonwen Williams hands down and we can't even say ukuthi Hugo Bruce has done well under Ronwen Williams nan because uRonwen Williams ama game amaningi amunele wona abalekele ku AFCON bekwa ama penalty akamunelanga 90 minutes and kept a proper clean sheet ku 90 minutes beka consider ama goal so mina ama player for mina kumele ukuthi awa drop uHugo Bruce uyaya Sithole kumele ukuthi am drop he shouldn't ever consider him for bafana lo yamjida akakhohlwe akabuyela eSouth Africa sekazo retire mhlambe uLyle Foster akakhohlwe bafana bangaphinde bambize uLyle Foster kubafana
bafana less than 30 goals in 10 years but
he strike adlalele ibafana bafana uhlongwane akaqhubeka adlalele ku Minnesota angaphinde abuye uOkon naye mela dropwe angabuyi angadlali kunamadlala amaningi abazalelwe la South Africa abadeserve ukudlala lapha hayi yena angabuyi naye Okon and then uRicardo Lina akakhohle bangaphinde bamteste nokumtesta no Ricardo Goss sesichayile isikhathi sakhe akadeserve ukudlalela bafana lo mfana eChiefs uPeterson udeserve more than uGoss ukudlalela bafana ayikapheli season ePSL uPeterson makangabuya adlala the next 5 games melaye ku World Cup and then ama player who are truly deserving ukudlalela bafana nokuya ku World Cup for mina iCram Rangers melaye lapho ikiyule kedeng if uzobiza uThemba Zwane and uThemba Zwane is in his mid 30s then uThemba Inkosi Lodge deserves a chance mka chance Lodge uLodge une experience ukudlala on an international stage he played uLodge waziwa Pep Guardiola bafethu kanti nifunani uPep Guardiola uyamazi uLodge and he knows what Lodge is capable of so uThemba Inkosi Lodge melabe lapha lo mfana uGolden Arrows uNdlovu uyadeserve na ukuthi athole iCall up nanoma ngeke adlale but angithi we building for the future mthatha umbeke lapha nomuphela experience layer I think yibo labo boyitri other than laba abanye vele asebakhona nolibone Siyama cishe ngakhohlwa umuntu obalekile we saw i combination kaMbukazi noSiyama ukuthi yenzeni Pirates simbonile ukuthi uSiyama mfethu unumber 2 ngama pass ku Betway Premiership but center back le uhlula ama midfield ngama pass ushaye long ball ifike kuwo libone
CM
kumele bamthathe
uCM uyadlala in terms of ama pass but olani ilo ibafana ngeke dominate position eUnited States of America so uzofuna yema defender comfortable on the ball noma ama defender neaggression ukuthi azokwazi ukumaka cause isikhathi esiningi sobe si under pressure ku World Cup
so kule combination yakhe noMbokazi what I've seen is that uMbokazi une aggression and is also good on the ball ulibone CM uNtswembu naye ngocover ispace man to man marking yamshaya lapho nalapho but if ukwazi ukuvala ispace mfana it's something I give you something ukuthi ntwana if umene defender I mean umene striker as a defender you can see you can predict next move ye striker umfikele eqala ebholeni which is what ulibone CM does and the reason mina I prefer a ball playing center back okwazi ukucover ama space and also have aggression is Mabalekho Mkwena la emidleleni ambona uMbokazi can take matters to himself ukuthi Mkwena nyakujumpa ithi ngimpasse ngokwami Foster ithi ngimpasse ngokwami uMfukeng ithi ngimpasse ngokwami uApolice on the right ulibone CM also offers you the same thing and bane understanding sebayakwazi ukudlala boyi2 angithi uMthobi Imvala noGrant Kekana sibathathe sayobadlalisa because sebajwayele ukudlala bobayi2 baya understandana uMbokazi mfana as short as they are ulibone CM noMbokazi ayingakho ama set piece abakhe bawa compete
Yeah isikhathi esiningi nama ngibona kona no Pirates ama aerial balls usibisi onokuhluleka kakhulu ukudila ngawo but yeah with lento le bafana for siyazi ukuthi
wena bobani obahambisa bobani obafakayo
uRile Mfukeng for me number 1 if khona umuntu okay uMbokazi uRile Mfukeng bayahamba bafana uNkotha akabe ku vacation lapha ne Middle East ngoba akadlali nokudlala but beka khona nayo contributor but sifuna ama players okwazi ukulo khona ama player a qualified bafethu if uzoselectwa nabo yayasithole wabe angafaki nabo Yusuf Martin ngoba badlala eEurope yabona uHugo Broos ukuthi unamanga kanaqiniso and then thina mele simrespect simkhulume kahle kanti usidwedwe so coach ngiyaxolisa ukumbiza kanjalo umkhulu kodwa ke now uyawa attack ama players wethu amanye ama player uwabulala ne confidence I mean lento yaqala kudala even na opesita bamkwatela ukuthi ukhuluma kanjani but yeah uRile Mfukeng Mbokazi Mukwena and then emuva umudawu ulo khona iplayer man umudiba ngeke si-attack ngeke si-dominate iplay so kufuneka umuntu laphana ku-3 ku left back ozokwazi ukumarka ubani nama kunzima ukuthi ngimcabanga like is the best left back engakwazi ukumarka yabona ukuthi lento le ayibalance ima
akana competition
yakana competition
iyafana ne right back yakakhuliso Mutawu akana competition uMathuludi ningamfaka mara hey uzoba umbobo at least ukhulisa Mutawu uyamaka mfethu you understand uyambona ukuthi uJimu Garamafata uyamaka ushamathekile ilezi sikhule ngepapa nevinika lapha evenda but uyothatha uMathuludi yomfaka lapha ayozwenzana uMathuludi uyambona na himself ukuthi umbobo so the biggest issue la South Africa is that every position only has one player okwazi ukudlala kamnandi akekho umuntu okwazi ukumreplace other than uTeboho Mokoena because uJaden Adams yena he's good on the ball but uTebza offers you both he's good on the ball and off the ball so other than uTebza udlalisa bani because umbatha naye off the ball uyalekhanyana uNtswembu umakaphethe ball uNdlovu naye off the ball uyalekhanyana uNtswembu umakaphethe ball uMbule Ntswembu umakaphethe ball uSihle Ndulu Ntswembu umakaphethe ball uyaya akekho Ntswembu umakaliphetha akekho Ntswembu noma ngaliphethanga akaza shayithekile eclean akaza mina ngazi ukuthi ufike kanjani naselokho njani nasePortugal aye baya scout akabantu
khona lento KZN whatever yiwe bahambisa same thing le ubani uMuthiba lo weSundowns wahamba ngaphathena bekadlalela iDiambas then waye France so yeah ePortugal yakwazi ukuba scammer ama scout nama team lapha especially kuma junior ranks but otherwise ayibafana ethu ashongo bafethu ukuthi bafana may qualify ku World Cup vele izokwenza kahle but usifuna ibafana idlala ibhola eliconvincing bafana compete we don't mind ukulose but indlela oluza ngayo mina ukudlala kwamanye
mina for mina inkingi iqala kwalapho the reason countries like Morocco abo Egypt nabo Ghana bakwazi ukuthi nabaya ku World Cup badlale baze bayifika kuma quarter final bodlala kuma semi final it's because bona badlali when it comes to ibhola labo wafika kwalahle manje wahluleka kuNICAF gone uyahamba wadliwa 3 games in a row gone abamoshi isikhathi you understand la eSouth Africa win MTN 8 emarusebenzile win calling knockout emarusebenzile ukora igoal likushayise ngefinal eCalling knockout so sesquatini ufika ku Orlando Pirates ukora ama long range nyana i2 amthathena beyiwinga yebafana bafana
uyalazi
awumnandi uyalazi you understand so that's the problem ngebhola lethu la South Africa and nathi ama fans siba too biased when it comes to ibhola because omunye uzolwa namhlanje uthi why ningabiza ama player Chiefs so biza bani Chiefs mase sikhuluma amaqiniso omunye besala ukuthi no inkinga ukuthi ama player wePirates that's why sisho sithi uDom That's why sisho sithi we slim.
But whoa.
Ibafana is beyond the Chiefs, Pirates, Sundowns.
Yeah.
We only want the best for the national team. That's why no Hugo Bruce simthuka. Asimthuki because siyamzonda as a human being. Simthuka because siyabona ukuthi he's fucking up.
But
He's fucking up Hugo Bruce wangabiza uRenas. The best striker right now in South African football akekho.
For I think sike saba ne conversation le. Uthi ama Orlando Pirates players uqale ngayivule ngakuthi good for iBetway Premiership but for international footballers later down. Because ubukela uMuremi mina ngiyazi ukuthi super talented but for international football
I mean sure ukuthi super talented but uyadlala like he's just talented. He's
Yeah,
just talented not super talented.
So for South African standard yabona South African standard is one of the best. Mangibheka ama wingers ngiyamcabanga uMuremi but ku international kusho ukuthi asina ma play inkinga ethi asina ma play.
I think
local asinawo ama play.
Asina
Asina ma players asina goalkeeper asina ma defenders
we
asina
have
midfielders.
We have players, but the problem is that coach opeti bafana une favoritism. Angeka waphe lawo ma player a chance. Uthembi Nkosi Lodge can do a better job than uTshepang Muremi kula position. He's a good player. Ukubonisile lo muntu ubuyi dribble ama player we Man City. Ozwina Police is better than uHlongwane wayangaqalanga. Ozwina Police needs to start every game for bafana. Uyakora, uyapasa, uyacreator, he does everything right umfana. Net ushawa he height nokuthi mhlamba akakwazi ukudefender but you can't have it all as a player. You have someone like uLokhunja futhi uKabelo Dlamini example. Another player ontswembu kula position yaka number 10 but because abanye ama coach na afika ucoach uba ne system yakhe uzile noRulani Mukwena utheni uthi lo mfana has the potential to be the next best number 10 after uThemba Zwane if you give him a chance. You give him the right coaching. Nondlovu nayo of course but bekakhuluma ngoKabelo Dlamini.
Upitso Msima noNomu Manqoba bekakhuluma yaqhubeka.
You understand? So the only issue is abantu abaphethe kwiSAFA, the technical team mele bahambe, the coach needs to go, the scouting team needs to go, ipresident mele ahambe angaphinda acabange ngebhola empilweni yakhe akayofocus kwizinto zeANC nakuphi uDanny Jordan akayeba politician asuke lapha ya
aphatha yena le 10 million ayikolodayo.
If federation ye country izophathwa umuntu obeka ipolitician then ayikho into ezenzeka because uzodlela kwesakhe. Beka ifederation yase Cameroon Samuel Eto'o akadlali baba. One mistake gone. Abo DJ Drogba lapha eIvory Coast. That's why labantu laba benza lezi zinto lezi abazenzayo. We have the talent, we have the players. Sinawo nama coach. uBenny McCarthy is overqualified. For me he's more qualified than Hugo Bruce futhi uBenny McCarthy. uBenny McCarthy angahamba ayocoach ku-UEFA. If you have phone. Sure. And then you have Pitso Mosimane, another coach that's better than Hugo Bruce. Rulani Mukwena, better than Hugo Bruce. Kevin Hunt, better than Hugo Bruce, Kevin Hunt. You are my coach lawa as iSAFA, bekumele sibiza bona, if asifuni ba coach, sibiza bona sithi chance, you've done a lot for iBhola Lethu. You've achieved a lot. You've given us some of the best talent. Siyaku World Cup. Sicela nina sibizeleni nini squad labafana beze bazotryla then nina nikhethe ukuthi lo uyangena lo uyahamba lo uyangena lo yakangena because umfukeng can play 5 games in a row Ntswembu seka se squadini and I'm not saying it doesn't deserve it just igama lingifikele ngenza umzekelo nawe manje masingathatha wayedlalela iChiefs wakora 3 goals especially against the Pirates mfana uya ku World Cup.
That's another goalkeeper lo Ronaldo Lina for me is one of the best goalkeepers but notice something uvimba mekadlala nama team amakhulu kuphela
fana no Ghost
lapho kuzokuvimbela against Sundowns ama game ayi2 Sundowns was the man of the match yabo but mombheka kwamanye ama game consistency yakhe nakwamanye ama game uconsider kwakhe is one of the best goalkeepers but if level yethu ku Ronaldo Lina umuntu ovimba on and off naye for team yakhe ungasu number 1 for isikhukhune United then selector labo bantu laba yabona ukuthi sine problem but yaba futhi ningakhohlwa ukusubscribe ku YouTube channel nama comment wena abalekile nisithuke bafethu the more nisithuka the more ngiba rich so yini into esingayimention
so just ukuthi sivale iMamelodi Sundowns kubalekile ukuthi wine le CAF Champions League lezayo maba win CAF Champions League iboost confidence kaMkwena iboost confidence kaMudau Mudiba Ronon Williams Grant Kekana and we all know if Sundowns mayifika ku final every South African player in the team ofike kula final mela World Cup because we understand what it's like to compete at that level and a good playing Mamelodi Sundowns is good for our football unfortunately.
Yeah, Sundowns wena mele yenze kahle. I think the opportunity Sundowns ukuthi win CAF Champions League this season and leyo nto angithi beyenza kahle even iSundowns that time ba select ama player we Sundowns amaningi because bajwayele level ukudlala international. So singadlalisa ama player adlala namaZulu FC week in and week out angithi bafethu. So lama player la out tested internationally and psyche man mentally baku different state compared to ama player bayakwazi ukwabekezelela ama international game but with that being said siyabonga bafethu ukubukela ngikululeko omdluli lo kodwa ningazi uNkuli Soccer the face of YouTube eSouth Africa ku South African football if awungazi uhlala kuphi